So as you can see over here on the back, all nice and clear, we can still see the Samsung logo. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the Speck Presidio Perfect-Clear case for none other than the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So before we start getting this guy out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to Speck for sending me this case for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, Speck. I do appreciate it. But anyway, without further ado, let's start getting this case out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it says Speck Presidio Perfect-Clear. We've got a clear area, pretty funny for a clear case, where we can actually see the clear case itself through the box. It says warranty, microbond, and 13-foot, talking about drop protection, of course, and it says Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Obviously, that is the phone this case is for. Lifetime warranty, 13-foot drop protection, and of course, antimicrobial product protection as well. So anyway, let's just open this up and see what this clear case is all about. We can grab it right here. And now let's go ahead and put the box to the side, and we can grab my S22 Ultra and let's just put it right into this case. So we can just plop it in right there, and we can just plop in the top as well. And I will admit, I have to apply a bit of force right there to get the top in, but now that we've got it in, the case is all on my phone. So as you can see over here on the back, all nice and clear, we can still see the Samsung logo, sort of kind of right there through the clearness. We can also see the Speck logo clear right here. And of course, we got a big cutout for all the different cameras on this phone. Over here on the side, we still have the power button right here, and we have the volume buttons right here. Over here on this side, we got nothing. Ooh, but we do have a Speck logo right there. It's got the Speck logo and it says Speck. Over here on the bottom, we've got the S Pen cutout so we can access the S Pen right here. Over here, we got a speaker grill, USB-C port, and ooh, is that another Speck logo right there? No, it is not. It is some sort of marking, and then it looks like we've got some maybe numbers over here, maybe some serial numbers or something. I don't know what that is, but I think it would be better if these weren't here. They don't seem to really serve a purpose. So yeah, anyway, over here on the top, we got a cutout for, I believe, the microphone right there. And over here on the front, I do see raised bezels right here, raised lips on the top and on the bottom. So in theory, if you put your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra face down flat on a flat surface like a table, the screen should in theory not touch the table, which is definitely good. You want to protect your 6.8-inch massive display on this phone right here. Another first impression I am having of this case, though, is it definitely feels slippery in the hand because the sides, they're slippery and the back is slippery, and it's just a sort of curve between them. There's no sort of, I guess, flat edges or anything. So yeah, it definitely feels slippery to me. That's just one thing to note. I really thought the other Speck case that they sent me for free to make a video about was really cool, the Presidio 2 grip here, because it is just super grippy, and I just unboxed that before I unboxed this one. So yeah, I mean, I can notice the difference. And now guys, actually quick update here about this case. I've been trying to take it off. It's been taking a couple minutes, even just trying. I still haven't gotten it off, but I'm filming now because I've gotten close, and it's actually been hurting my thumbs how much force I've had to apply to get this case even this close to coming off as it is right now. So I don't know why, but for whatever reason, it's exceptionally difficult taking this case off, which is definitely annoying because you want a case that's easy to put on, easy to come off, just in case you change your mind. But anyway, let's see if I can get it completely off now. Okay. Here we go, and voila. It took me a lot of work to get to this point where I can just take it out like that. So whew, that is good, because for a second there I was scared I wouldn't be able to get this case off my phone, and I was like, oh boy, how am I going to do with my other case reviews? I don't know. So that's good at least. And I mean, yeah, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about the Speck Presidio Perfect-Clear case right here for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you guys want to pick it up for yourself, it'll set you back about $40. So it's definitely on the more inexpensive side of cases. But definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Definitely let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you are in the market for your very own case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different cases that I've unboxed for this phone to help you find the perfect one for you, and I will have a link to that down in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. And also, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.